What's up? Wow, it's been a minute since I've been on here. Coming back from another hiatus on my YouTube channel, but who's surprised? Because I'm not. I'm racing against the sun as well. It's in the evening, so I'm just gonna give a really quick little life update video. I'm going to be restarting my YouTube channel, but instead of doing like only hair videos and only makeup, I think this is where I've gotten burnt out in the past, is I'm gonna just show you guys a little bit of everything and talk about whatever the hell I want to talk about. So I think I felt a little too pressured to be like constricted, and then I kind of like burnt out with my passion. And so yeah, I'm just gonna start posting whatever I want to post on here and not feel the pressure of social media to make me do otherwise. So for those of you who don't know, I moved to Charlotte, North Carolina back in November of 2019. So my time in Indiana was just coming to an end, I think. It's just time to move on. So I decided to come down south and found a job in Plaza Midwood of Charlotte. It was through there that I have met my now fiance. Another update, we are getting married. It's so crazy, you guys. Like, there was a point in time when like I didn't even think I was gonna live to like 30, let alone like get married. So I think this whole process is a little surreal for me, but it's super fun nonetheless, and I'm very, very excited. We're both very excited. So in the time span that I've lived here, we got engaged and then we bought a house. We plan to elope this fall, God willing that COVID does not cause any more issues, but it'll just be a really small, like parents and siblings only type of soiree. Neither one of us really want like a big wedding, or like, I personally don't want to be like, I'm already an anxiety-ridden person, and nothing about being the center of attention to like a large group of people and being expected to mingle is like even like remotely enticing to me. So I might post another video of like wedding planning stuff that we have and like different ideas that we have. So I also will be doing a vlog of wedding dress shopping, of which I'm doing this weekend. So I'm actually going to go home because I feel like it's a bit much to ask everybody to come all the way down to Charlotte to wedding dress shop with me. So just getting the opportunity to just have that experience with my mom and my aunt and my sisters and my best friend. So I'm really, really excited. Career-wise, I have hit my goal for this year to go within a year of me moving to Charlotte. I have gotten full-time again behind the chair, which is really exciting. When I was back in Fort Wayne, you guys may know I owned my own salon for about 6.5 years, and just kind of got to the point where that wasn't really serving me anymore, and that's fine. But my books were closed for a long time. So coming down to a whole new state with like knowing nobody, having no friends, no family, no clientele whatsoever. So I feel like in the time span of a year and like going full-time again, it was like a really big achievement. So I was very proud of myself for that. My goal for this year is to be fully booked behind the chair. So get to the point where I don't have to take new clients anymore, which I'm on my way. I'm getting there. I'm this close, I can taste it. I would love to also show you guys like some home renovation projects that we have going on. So our house wasn't like a total dump when we bought it. Like a lot of the major stuff was done, but we have had to kind of do some cosmetic upgrades in order to kind of like make it our own. So I'm sure at some point Jacob and I will be doing some projects, and just our dynamic is really entertaining, to say the least. So I think you guys will get a kick out of it. And when I say we do projects together, I mean that like he mostly does them and I supervise, or like he just kind of like, I assist. Like he kind of just tells me what I need to do. But we just recognize each other's strengths. That's definitely more his forte. I have like the vision and I can like tell him to execute, and then I design. So we're kind of like Chip and Joanna. I would like to think that's like relationship goals, right? Speaking of renovations, we just finished our closet. I'm sorry if this bookcase keeps moving around, by the way, too. My camera is on like really low battery. So I've had to like keep like rearranging and like charging my camera for like 5 minutes at a time. Like anytime I go to record anything, that's how it happens. Anyway, we just redid our closet. So if you hear some banging in the background, that's what that is. We also found a new home church down here in Charlotte. That was a really hard one for me, I think, because I'm really close, well, I was really close like with my church family back home. I was like really invested and like very involved, like venturing out and finding a new church. It felt like I was like cheating on my church family back home. But we found one in East Charlotte that we really like. Smaller, like non-denominational church, and definitely more like the cloth that we're cut from. It definitely helps to have like that like faith-based community to us, I think. Like, so we're getting more involved with that. Another update, we got another dog back in September. Her name is Penny and she's a border collie, and she's full of spunk and personality. I took quarantine to figure out how to play piano. I'm not very good at it, and even like really at guitar, but that's like another avenue of this channel that I kind of want to incorporate, is like my music stuff. I've been like adding a little bit to like my Instagram stories every now and then of like little like snippets of things. But my goal this year hopefully is to get like a small studio in our house set up, and maybe I can kind of dig around on GarageBand. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick little life update on what's happening here. Yeah, it's been a crazy year despite pandemic and civil unrest and a political shitstorm, but we're here and we made it, and good things happening in the next year. So I'm super excited to like do life and share them with you guys. So let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys want me to talk about, or as far as like hair goes, or self-healing, or any of that kind of stuff. I want to be open to what you guys, like the content that you guys want to see. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Thank you so much for watching. I don't even know that anybody will even watch these videos, but they're fun to make. So, and it's a good hobby to have. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.